This one guy is about to single-handedly rug pull the price of silver. As silver stackers here in the States, we are focused on Elon Musk. We're focused on the Trump administration. But there's one major player in silver that should be on the tip of everyone's tongue, because he's about to change silver in a way that will make you and I as stackers look at this present silver price. Today we're at about $35. We're supposed to be very excited about that. You're going to see that that is going to be cheap. We're going to look back at this $35 spot price and think, wow, why didn't I know? Why isn't I in? Check this out. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. 20 American Eagles. You should be the next winner on that list. Click that link. Take that silver. The key player is Wang Chuanfu, and this is the leader from China in EV, the leader in solar. He's created his company called BYD, Build Your Dreams. And this is from AP News. They're showing that by 2023, BYD sold over 3 million new energy vehicles. That was just the beginning. Of course, electric vehicles, solar, all these battery technologies, they all require silver. So look at this. Look at these numbers. If you're just looking at EVs, wiring harnesses, inverters, charging components, they all require silver. EVs typically require, look at this, 25 to 50 grams of silver per vehicle. Now, here's the math we need to look at. By 2023, BYD sold over 3 million new energy vehicles. At 25 grams per vehicle, that's 75,000 kilograms, 75 metric tons of silver. This is from the Silver Institute. This is where this shortage of silver is hitting us. Look at this. Let's go to solar. Each typical photovoltaic panel uses 15 to 20 milligrams of silver per cell, adding up to 20 grams per panel. And with China aggressively expanding solar development and BYD being the top of that, this adds tens of millions of grams of silver annually. Look at that number here, 20 metric tons of silver consumption just for solar. Just for solar. Again, this is the Silver Institute showing automotive and solar sectors account for over 50% of industrial silver demand growth since 2020. I think it's even higher than that. I really believe that's conservative. The Silver Institute notes that rising EV production and solar installations in China are the single biggest contributors to industrial silver usage globally. And as I record this, we're at the 5th year running of a deficit for silver. Any product in any sector, any market, any product in which the demand is just immense, it's massive. In fact, you could say it's uncontrollable. And the supply is just finite. This is basic economics. The price is about to skyrocket. This is where we're at for silver. And we presently, as I record this, we are on an upswing for silver. We're finally getting momentum. We're finally moving up 35, touching $36. We're finally getting there. But what we need to understand as stackers is this one player is just sucking up all of the silver. And we are going to look back at this time, particularly the past 12 months, where I include myself, we all sat on the sidelines and we watched, waiting and complaining. When is silver going to move up? Why are we hovering at $32, $33 an ounce? Why aren't we moving? This was the time to buy. This was the time. And we're going to get another $10 jump. It's coming right at us. I'm not telling you financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. This is just a pattern for silver. 5th year running of a serious shortage. 5th year running. So watch as this plays out, because the rug is going to be pulled. And if you think accumulating 2-3 rounds a week is expensive right now, just wait 4, 5, 6 months from now when silver really gets its price, as this demand really hits it. We're gonna look back these days and think, oh, the same way we look back at gold and think, man, remember when gold was $2,000 an ounce and I thought that was expensive? That's how it's going to feel. That is a serious rug pull. Well, get your own silver. Click the link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. It's free. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles every month. They hold this contest. Click that link, get that silver, and I'll see you in the next one.